Fun fact, about 5 days ago when I started the vlog, temperatures in Ottawa, Canada were around 17 degrees. Today it's 30. Very suddenly, it's very summer where I live, and that happens just about every year. Very busy day at work, as you can see, but later on I've got a bike drop-off to do, which I plan to vlog, and it's Friday afternoon, 32 degrees outside, but damn it, everything is so beautiful right now that I have to be outside. Just had a beautiful bike ride along the canal. I'm currently at the History Museum. No, Natural History? I think it's the Natural History Museum. I always come here right after I rent camera equipment, because it's a really nice place to sit down and sort out the camera equipment and get ready to take my shot. Today I rented a 100 to 400 millimeter lens, and the reason it's so big and honkin' is that, and I guess I could show you. I rented this. It's for bird photography. I'm an occasional bird photographer when the right weather comes around. It's very warm. It's the beginning of spring. There's loads of pollen and new green grass and new trees and like colorful blossoms. So perfect time. At the moment I'm pulled over here at the park because I'm putting on my bike kickstand, finally. Believe it or not, I procrastinated it so much that I packed my screwdriver and all of the kit to put it on in my bag just to force myself to do it. So now that I'm parked here on the park bench with my wonderful lens, rented for the weekend, I'm gonna fix up my bike so that I can cruise around tomorrow morning bright and early, kick my stand, and take photos of birds. And that's the plan. Okay, kickstand installed. Considering my bike has gotten better since the last time I showed you a couple episodes ago, I thought I'd give you a new tour. So, right down there, freshly installed kickstand. Folds out like that. Kicks and stands. Beautiful. Right up here, I got a new bag for the back of the bike, so it actually contains my lock and some other bike equipment and stuff. And then on the sides it has twin packs, and these fold out to allow for more storage. And then of course a water bottle holder. And that just straps on the back of my frame with the battery. And yeah, she's ready for a long summer of creative adventures, hopefully. Cool, so that's it for now. I think you'll join me again when I'm out for some bird photography. See you then. Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah. Are you spreading pesto on a bun?
The main character you have not met yet. Very important main character. And I'm sick, which is why I don't normally sound like this.
Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. I know I said I don't normally get up this early. Look at how empty the roads are. This is a major intersection. But I'm doing bird photography with this big honker here. So you have to be up early in the morning. I mean, you could probably hear them chirping for that reason, and for the reason I need to cross the street. And the other reason is that it's not stinking hot yet. It's gonna be 30 degrees later and up until 8 a.m. below 25, which is, you know, decent. So, I'm on my way. Holy crap, look at this sunrise. Pretty sweet shots. I just got some pretty sweet shots of a duck bathing itself in the pond. It's now about 6:45 in the morning. I think I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit, breathe and enjoy the weather. It's beautiful. And then maybe I'll make my way to one last location. I'm headed home for around 8 a.m. to go back to sleep. There are a few things about bird photography that I enjoy. The first is the solitude in the middle of a city, believe it or not. But nobody's out this early. I mean, there are people walking around, but generally I have this island I'm on to myself. So it's very calming, very chill. Just get to work at my own speed and take photos of anything, or just enjoy the scenery. This time of year is perfect because all of the cherry blossoms are coming out. Everything's dewy in the morning. The birds are everywhere. And also, I like the challenge. I mean, bird photography's not necessarily an easy thing to do. It requires patience. The other thing is, like, the challenge of it is so interesting, right? Because this zoom lens is huge, right? And of course it's dialed in like 20 times my eyesight. So I'll see a bird sitting on a branch and then I'll go for it and I'll have to like I spy, point the camera in the right area to get the bird. I don't know, it's a fun thing. I think it reminds me of like playing Where's Waldo books as a kid. And the payoff is so good. When you get a good shot, it's just like, it's great. Really, like, I love any close-up shot of an animal, of a bird. I just think they're so interesting to look at in their natural habitats like that. I'm just gonna hold it. What do you think about that?
That's perfect.
We're going out for brunch. It's Sunday morning.
Woo, we're getting chicken and waffles! And pickles and syrup.
Hello. Thank you for watching today's episode of the vlog. I just wanted to ask if you would mind leaving a comment on this video, letting me know what you want me to do going forward in the vlog. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.